Hi, it's me again. I'm Justin. Welcome to my channel. Um, let's talk about how do you adjust your seat position when you drive, and what's the right position or optimum position. Oh, hey, look who's here. It's Busy
I'm
again.
back.
Wow, great. I was just talking about how do we adjust the right sitting position when you drive. Can you show us that?
Yeah. It's quite a very, I say, basic topic or something that you don't really talk about, but actually it's very important. It's very important.
It's for safety and making sure
For
you're
safe,
comfortable
yeah.
for the drive, right?
It's more about safety, but when you are safe, you are in control, and it makes you a better driver. You drive better. So everything in a nutshell is good. Is you have to basically you have to do this first. You have to be comfortable and in the right position in your car before you have to start. So you don't drive a car and then halfway in the race or on the road you found out, hey, I'm not sitting right, then you have to adjust your seat during a drive. You cannot do that. So before you drive, you have to be in the best position possible, and only then continue driving.
Okay, come on, let's show us how.
Let's go. When you get in, you have to cater for your legs. Legs go first because the throttle and the brake is the safety part of the car. So you need to adjust your seat position according to your leg room. So you cannot be too close, then you cannot have movement. So and you cannot too far away where you cannot press the brake pedal properly and the clutch. So what I normally do is, for most cars, they have what you call this, the footrest, right? So I don't know, you can see, maybe you want to get nearer.
You're talking about
the footrest, the most
clutch foot, left foot rest.
Yeah,
right.
your footrest.
Okay.
It has to be on the left lah. I don't know, there's a footrest on the right. So it's on the left.
Yeah.
So you have to put your left foot there.
Yeah.
And then you need to adjust your seat so that you feel you're just at the right. If you're too far, then you cannot reach the footrest. If you're too near, then you start to be like your knees start to hit the top side of the panel.
Right.
So you have to make sure you are just okay. And then next, you have to depress the clutch. When you depress the clutch, you make sure you can get a full range of travel.
Okay.
Full range of travel means you are able to press the clutch all the way down.
All right.
Okay. Then next, once you do that, you just double check everything. Make sure you have enough space to brake and press the clutch. Imagine if I'm too far away, then I cannot, you see, I can't even blip because I'm too far away, and I cannot even fully depress the clutch. This is wrong. So you want to be as far as possible, but you are able to press the clutch and have your left foot on the brake, the foot rest. So this is where you start. So once you're okay with this, then we get to the steering and your backrest. When it comes to your backrest, you must be able to, I say, not upright, slightly inclined. See?
Okay.
Backwards.
I think that's about maybe 15 degrees incline.
About there.
Just a little bit.
Just a bit, yeah. You must be able to feel that your body is like falling into the seat. If you are too upright, you'll be like, the weight is on your body. But
right.
if you are a bit declined, you feel like the weight is dropping on the seat.
So you want to feel like you're dropping into the seat.
Yep.
That's the feeling that
That's
you're
the key.
looking for. Okay.
Yeah, if you are up here, you feel the weight is on your body. But you be like, oh.
You need to rest your body on the seat.
You have to be comfortable.
Right.
And then you move to the steering wheel. Okay. You need to be able to have a slight bend in your arm. You can't have a straight arm position, because this slight bend will allow you to have how you say this movement, turning movement. You can cover a big range of movement, a turning circle.
Right.
So when you are too far away from the steering wheel, then you can't really turn. For example, I'll just show you. Okay,
So
I'm this far.
this is too far,
This
right?
too far. So as I turn, I'm stretching. You see, it's going away. It's going away.
You're not exactly touching the
Yeah, I
steering
can't
anymore.
touch. So basically, what happens is you turn and you start to limit yourself. So what happens if your car suddenly go into an oversteer? Then you want to counter. You do not have enough counter lock.
You can't
So
reach the steering.
You can't reach the steering. You can't correct the car properly. So you just lose the tail. So you need to have the right amount of bend. Some people say like 90 degrees. I mean, it's just enough for you to go almost half circle, half turn,
Right.
full lock. Yeah. So in this way, with this much movement, you should be able to do the correct amount of lock, steering counter lock for correction, any correction.
Right.
So you got your legs, all your foot settle. You got your arms
And your
in
body.
the right position. You got your body in the right position, and then you can start driving.
Cool.
That's how I see.
Cool. Thanks, Missy.
No problem.
Let's go driving. Hi guys, if you like my video, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for your support for viewing my channel. Thank you. Till next video then. Bye.